In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to Facebook Ads Manager, how to run Facebook ads 5 minutes. First, make sure you have a Facebook business page and access to Meta Ads Manager. If you're logged into your account, head to the Ads Manager from the Business Tools. That's your control center for planning, launching, and tracking campaigns. To start a new campaign, click Create and choose your objective. This tells Meta what result you want. Common objectives include awareness to reach as many people as possible, traffic to drive clicks to a site, engagement to get likes, comments, or messages, leads to collect contact information, and sales to optimize for purchases or conversions. Pick the one that matches your real goal. Next, set your budget. You can choose a daily budget, which spends an average amount per day, or a lifetime budget, which caps the total spend over your chosen dates. Daily budgets are simple for ongoing campaigns. Lifetime budgets are helpful for tight timelines and promotions. Then set your schedule with clear start and end dates so your ads run exactly when you want. Audience targeting is where performance is won or lost. Define who should see your ad by location, age, and language. Use detailed targeting to include interests and behaviors that align with your ideal customer. If you're new, Advantage Plus Audience can help the system broaden reach while still focusing on likely responders. Keep audiences focused but not too narrow. A balanced size helps delivery and cost. Choose placements next. Your ads can run across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. For beginners, Advantage Plus placements, also called automatic placements, are recommended. This lets Meta find the best inventory and usually lowers your cost per result. You can always review performance later and refine. Now design the ad. Select an ad format such as single image or video, carousel, or collection. Use clear, high quality visuals that show your product or offer quickly. Write concise primary text, a strong headline, and choose a call to action that matches your objective, like learn more, sign up, or shop now. Preview how everything looks across placements before you proceed. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Meta will review your ad to ensure it complies with advertising policies. Once approved, monitor results in Ads Manager. Watch delivery, cost per result, clicks, and conversions, and make adjustments to your audience, creative, or budget as needed. That's the complete path from setup to launch in just a few minutes.